This is a no muscles glasses PSA. Wash your damn hands. Hello, we're back again with another Funko video. Gonna try to get through this intro quick because as you can tell, we've got quite a few boxes here, but you're only gonna see 3 of them in this video. Be sure to watch the next video for the other 3. Got these boxes from TOYUSA. Everybody says that TOYUSA is the standard when it comes to Funko Pop mystery boxes. Let me read, I gotta get the exact name here. So these are TOYUSA's Funko Pop Damaged $50 mystery box MegaCon / 4-year anniversary boxes. Paid $300 total. Let's see if I made my money back. I got something other than the karambit today. I think the karambit's in the sink back there. We don't really know where it is, but I got my knife, got my nut button, got my boys, and you can go to SwazyThePlug.com to buy anything we unbox in this video or any of the previous videos or the next video. If you could probably tell this one was open. I had Sonny open one of these just to see how it was set up. With Chrono, they send in 1 box at a time, but these are 4 pops per box?
Yes, I believe it was 4 pops, so it was packed to the brim.
Perfect, okay, so I'm gonna try my best to not look at everything in here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look at you, I can't see it on my peripherals. Okay, I'm gonna see how I can do this here. I feel some tape.
Yeah, you did it.
I'm gonna do this so they're not getting ahead of me here on the surprise. First pop I'm pulling out is Tony Stark Avengers. Ooh. Okay, he's in that special suit. I'm gonna move this off to the side. I don't wanna cheat here.
This is the time travel suit.
Yes, yeah, cool. Not a chase, nothing fancy here. We're gonna price check as we go like we do in every video. Use the Funko Pop app because it's easier and it gives current pricing.
But there was no guarantee on any value.
Yes, sorry. So in these, $50 guaranteed value at the time of packaging. They packaged them like 5 days ago. So I don't think the value has changed too much. $7. All right, we'll post Tony up here and I'll reach down here and not look. Grab out the next one. You can see it before I do.
Sweet.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's sweet.
We got, oh God, how do you say his name?
Nick Wilde, what do you mean?
Is it, no, oh, sorry. I didn't know if it was like a Wildey or something like that. Okay, so this is Nick Wilde from Zootopia. Good movie. I actually really like that movie.
Really good movie, yeah.
This looks like an older one, just because the box feels a little bit different. I won't get ahead of myself here. So we got a lot of Zootopia pops here. All right, Nick Wilde, nice, $18.
Okay.
Not too bad.
Not too
box,
shabby.
I guess I need to be looking out for box condition because these are technically the damaged box. Also, they call it the damaged boxes because as we noticed when the boxes showed up, it looked like the post office kind of punted them in a few of them. So if one of these boxes comes out with a nice crumpled corner, we'll know why. Not too bad. 2 in, we're looking at mid-20s in terms of value. Gotta find the box over here. Okay, next one out. I'm watching their reactions before I look at it. What the hell is this?
I don't know who Jet is.
Oh, this is, all right, Cowboy Bebop. Okay, so this one definitely was damaged. I think you can tell where the UPS driver kind of punted this onto our porch, but that's fine. I'm not too upset about it or anything like that. Unless this is worth like $100, and then I'll be a little salty. But I don't think it's gonna be, we'll see. Jet Black, that's the same one, right? Yep, $15, but with damage, I'll say 10. Last one out. Ooh, this is in a, I feel it. This is in a protector. I feel that it's in a protector. Remember what I said in like the first Funko video we ever made?
I did. I never thought we'd see a protector, to be honest.
So this is a soft protector, I think.
Yeah.
This is soft protector. I don't know what it is. Okay. We've got Caroline.
Hot Topic exclusive.
Diamond Collection.
Yeah.
That's cool.
What is this, by the way?
That looks, is that saran wrap leftover from some other shipping or something? Maybe. Or is that part of it?
All right, I mean, f it, sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the saran wrap back. I don't know. What do we need on this to have value again?
So this would have to be like
18
$20, $18-ish.
18, okay. I need a big hit. I need a hit here. It's a diamond collection. So this is worth $22.
Hey, there you go.
All right.
That puts you right
That
over.
puts me above.
Yeah, above par.
Maybe less because I f***ed with the saran wrap. I don't know. Box 1 out of the way. Crack open box 2.
I've been noticing a distinct lack of Jay Belvin so far.
Dude, do not jinx me. I can't point the knife at you. Oh. I feel another soft case. I feel another soft.
Oh, that's a good sign.
I feel another soft case, so I won't grab that one first.
I
hope.
This reminds me of that game you play in elementary school during Halloween.
Heads up,
when you put your hands in, when you feel the guts and you put your hand in the like bowl of spaghetti and stuff. Did they ever do that to you around Halloween?
Very up.
First pop out, we've got Spider-Man.
Nice.
I don't know if it's a certain Spider-Man. I
That
just see
Hot Topic exclusive.
Is it?
Yeah.
I mean, I hadn't seen the front yet. I just see the back and I see him going
Yeah.
like that. There's so many Spider-Mans.
Oh, I can't imagine. Do you think they've done an Into the Spider-Verse one? Or?
No, sorry. I saw this exact one in black and white is going for $200.
Wow.
I still haven't found this one though. I don't know where it is. Is that it? No. Is that it? No.
Can we paint it?
Okay, we found it. We're good. $13. Was it worth the hunt down? No. Feeling around so I don't grab the protected one.
Ooh, okay.
So we've got 2019 Fall Convention, limited edition, New York. Vegeta.
And I'm not gonna lie, this looks like way less of a sick Vegeta than the last Vegeta we got.
Oh my god, yeah.
So I don't have high hopes.
No, neither do I, but who knows? All right, this is New York Comic-Con exclusive from 2019. Going for $35.
Damn.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, last one before the soft protector. John looks intrigued.
God.
Oh my god.
Now, I will say there's a lot of detail to this
There's a
pop.
lot of detail.
Talk about getting run into the ground.
Yeah.
How many Five Nights at Freddy's games are there at this point? So Springtrap from one of the Five Nights at Freddy's games, I don't know.
Or more.
or multiple, from 2016, rocking a solid $11 value. Moment of truth, I really hope this is actually, this is definitely a soft protector, I can feel it. Huh.
Oh.
Must not be too special,
Okay.
John went.
Well,
I mean,
It doesn't.
Is
it's
it
a soft
worth-
protector?
it-
It doesn't look that special, but I'm
I was
a
gonna
huge
say,
fan.
is it worth
Yeah.
the soft protector? I haven't looked down yet.
I mean,
Not really?
there's no stickers
I'm
or anything
confused,
else with
yeah.
it, so maybe. But I love the. Yeah, I'm a
mean-
huge fan of Scooby-Doo.
There is a flocked version of this. See, I know my terminology now.
Yeah.
We've come a long way
And
since the first video.
flocked means with fur,
Yeah,
correct?
flocked means different colors. It has a texture to it. I think the flocked pink version of this one goes for like $600 or something crazy like that.
Nope.
This is definitely not gonna go for $600, but not too bad. I was a huge Scooby-Doo fan growing up.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Huge.
Yeah.
$34.
That's not bad. That's
you
not bad
came
at all.
out
Yeah,
huge
that's
on
not too
this
good.
second box
That
then.
was what, above 80.
Well, that's interesting. Yeah, above 80, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
I will say, all right, boys, I will say this is heavier.
Ooh.
So the way it works with TOYUSA is they have the soft protectors and then they have hard protectors, which is just pure, like hard plastic. And that's the big money. So maybe I'm just talking out my ass here because the last time I said one of these is heavy, we got a bobblehead Thanos worth $7. So who knows? But I have a little bit more. Whoa. All right, putting it down here. Let's feel around here. That's a soft protector.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it feels like one soft protector again.
Okay.
Maybe two soft protectors.
Two. Ooh, boy.
Maybe, wait.
Oh, they all.
Wait. That might be a normal box. We have one for sure soft protector. Bam.
Okay.
Nice.
Harry Potter, Ron Weasley. That looks slightly suggestive. When
Yeah.
when you can't see the broom, this is what he's doing, John. He's riding a broom.
I don't know if that one looks better though. I mean,
God, there's so many of just everything. I've said that every time. Ron Weasley flying. $9.
starting off strong.
Starting off strong. God,
Were we expecting more?
no. Next one up.
Oh.
John has the same reaction every time.
This is for Seth Rogen fans.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I love this movie.
I actually really did love the green.
I've
This
never
was
seen
so-
this movie, but I
this
really
was
want
so
to.
underrated.
Yeah, it was.
The car from it was extremely cool.
It was super cool.
Specialty
All the
series.
guns,
Man,
flamethrowers.
this is like unlocking a certain part of people's brains that they forgot existed
Yeah.
right now. So Funko's specialty series, limited edition exclusive, nothing, like usually on the back they'll put other characters in the line. This is the only one, specialty series, not doing as well as we'd hoped. This is worth $9.
Okay.
I think I found the heavy one though. This one is heavier.
Okay. Okay.
Prickle pants?
Prickle pants?
Mr. Prickle Pants? It's a summer convention, or as Sonny would say it, convention. It's limited edition exclusive. Anything that's in a convention exclusive seems to do well enough in my book. Hanging around a solid $13. Not too bad though. Not too bad. This last pop better be worth some moolah. We'll see what the last one is, boys, shall we?
Okay.
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 Is it Dragon Ball Z? I haven't looked yet.
It's not Dragon Ball Z.
Okay. Amy Pond from Doctor Who.
This might be a big one.
Yeah.
It says it's convention exclusive. It has a sticker on it for $50 already. Might have ruined the surprise, but we'll see. Originally, I saw the Emerald City Comic Con exclusive from 2018 that's going for $90.
Oh.
This is the Hot Topic 2018 Spring Convention exclusive that's going for $50.
It's a simple mistake to make.
Okay, this is the $50 one. I don't see why they would put a sticker on there if it wasn't. I got my money back, not complaining a single bit. Cool, all right, we'll get everything set up here and have the review, shall we? Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so we got everything we pulled today here in front of me. Not a bad haul, if I do say so myself. This is from 3 boxes from TOYUSA. 50 ducks, Jesus, 50 bucks per box, and we got 4 pops per box, and we made our money back, I think, on every box, right?
Yeah, it should
At
be.
least.
Should be. Yeah, it should be.
At least. Obviously, stuff has to sell. Everything you see here will be on SwazyToPlug.com. Be sure to go down below in the description, check out all the social links, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm noticing a lot of people that are watching our videos aren't subscribed. We're about 250 subs away from 1,000. That's huge. That would be awesome if we could hit that goal. Appreciate you guys. Keep watching. Go down the rabbit hole. Deuces.